Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Watch until the end because you'll be amazed at how easy it is to draw Goku base step by step. Trust me, anyone can do this. Let's get started. First, let's draw two guiding lines, one horizontal and one vertical. These will help us position the facial features correctly. The intersection of these lines marks the direction where Goku will be looking. This simple trick makes it much easier to get the proportions right. Now, let's start shaping Goku's face. Remember not to press too hard with your pencil. Keep your strokes light so you can erase easily if needed. Quick question. What's your favorite version of Goku? Comment below, I'd love to know. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this tutorial. These guidelines we drew will help us place Goku's eyes proportionally so that everything looks balanced. I always start from the left side because I'm right-handed, and it makes it easier for me to see what I'm drawing. Now, let's draw the nose. In Dragon Ball, noses are usually shaped like a simple triangle. Super easy to draw. The mouth is always placed very close to the nose. This is a distinctive feature of Dragon Ball's art style, making the characters look unique. We start with the small bangs on his forehead. These will help us define the flow of his hairstyle. Now, let's move on to Goku's neck. Again, use soft lines so we can make adjustments later if needed. Also, let me know which character you want me to draw in the next video. Your suggestions help me a lot. Now, we begin drawing Goku's hair. Next, let's shape the rest of his hair. Goku's spiky hairstyle is one of his most iconic features, so take your time to get those spikes looking right. Fun fact, did you know that Akira Toriyama originally designed Goku's hair spiky to make it easier to animate? That's why it always looks cool but stays simple to draw. Now, let's add some final details using a 6B pencil to darken the lines and add depth to the drawing. And here it is, the final result. What do you think? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more awesome drawings. God bless you all, and see you in the next video.